Hi everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have the August 2023 ZenPop box. If you know nothing about ZenPop, continue to watch because this is one awesome box of high quality Japanese stationery. It is made, curated in Osaka, Japan, and this is Luna. She is, she or he, I don't know what, is drinking some lemonade and enjoying the sunny weather, and that's what this whole box is about. Summer. And let me show you everything in it because I'll be really truthful with you. I am refilming a video that I just made because I didn't think the quality of the first one was high enough as far as focusing, so hopefully I don't have those problems with this video. You are going to get, I'm totally changing the subject by the way, 9 items, and I'll show you each and every one of them. So, what is this, you might ask? This is 20 sheets of little sticky notes. Perfect for jotting down anything your heart desires. It's in beautiful muted colors. It's actually sticking to this piece of plastic. And you're going to get 20 sheets to write down notes or do really pretty collaging with. Isn't that gorgeous? So that is the theme. This color here is the theme of the entire box. It's all muted blues and greens. So if this is your color, this is your box. And if you are interested, I do have a $5 off code with Jane5 to get your first ZenPop box. How sweet is that? The second item here, I already know what it is because like I said before, I'm refilming. This is a set of beautiful tags. And why are they beautiful, you might ask? Well, first of all, you're going to get 4 tags and 2 envelopes. Very cute envelopes. But these tags, why are they so beautiful? Not only are the colors and patterns gorgeous, but look at this. They have a vellum cover on top, and below is really nice quality paper tag with lines, and on the back it's plain. Each tag is the same, the vellum with the white paper. And what's really great about these tags is that you can write and draw on the vellum as well as the paper. Now before I even use these tags, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to use this as a template because this is a perfect size tab, and why not create a template out of them with some paper so I can make more. So that is your second item, these gorgeous tags with the 2 matching envelopes. Then we got these little stickers. Let me take them out of the plastic real quick. You are going to get, they're called clear flake seal stickers. And I know it's kind of shiny here, but there's 25 stickers in this little bag. Good thing I didn't open the bag when I first filmed the video. Let's take a quick look. I'll probably make an absolute mess, but I just want to show you these beautiful stickers. I'll put them in this little box. 25 of them. Perfect for decorating anything you so choose. Planners, letters. They're just really fun and happy, beautiful stickers. I love them. Speaking of which, I'm going to go to the other sticker pack they gave us. Look at those. We get 2 sheets in there. Let me show you real quick. One sheet is on clear paper and the other is as so. They say there's 30 pieces. I don't know. I didn't count them. I mean, I can tell for sure there's 6 on here. Perfect for your planner, letters, little tags, whatever you want to do with them. But they're gorgeous. Again, you have the muted blues and green colors. We're all in that summer theme. These are awesome. These are Uniball pens. I already did a pen test in my last video, the one that I didn't post. So let's do a pen test in this. Comes with this little pocket protector. Wouldn't it be funny just stick this in your blouse pocket, your shirt pocket, and walk around? You got a pen. These are the kind of pens, though, if you lend them to somebody, you're going to want them back. And why is that, Lisa? Why is that? Well, let's do a pen test. Let me get my paper, get my handy dandy pad. This is so much more in focus than my last video. One I erased. This is a really pretty blue. If you're into a fine line pen, this is 0.38 milliliter pen. So you have your blue, my perfect handwriting, right? You have mauve. Yes, I can actually say this is mauve. Also referred to as pink. Really pretty. And then the last color, purple. So these are by Uniball, and I have to say I really love this little clip on it. The design and feel of these pens are awesome. They're called PM 5 o'clock. And it comes in this little carrying case, which, I don't know, I might cut this out and do something with it, but these are going straight in my pencil holder. Love them. Now, this is a package of binder clips, which I shoved back in the container because I wanted it to look halfway decent before I opened them out. But this is a product that if you like to create your own tabs in a binder or to put on file folders, you can write on them, or you can put paper inside of them and write whatever category you want. So let me just put them all in my hand. They're really quite nice. They're made with a nice thick plastic, and you will get 10 of these in your box. And by the way, the box is still available. I'll leave all the links down below. They're called demi clips. Then we got a pair of tweezers. Who doesn't need tweezers? Now these are not for like plucking eyebrows. These are so you could easily, I say that in jest, easily peel back stickers. Save this little piece because this is really nice when you want to store the tweezers. But these are nice curvy tweezers, and I got the color pink. You might get a color blue, purple, but pink is quite nice. And now you can become one of those pros. You ever see those really nice Instagram videos where they go, oh, effortlessly peel back the sticker for their videos? Well, let me tell you, you still have to kind of finagle the paper a little bit to peel back anything, but it does make taking off stickers and placing them much easier. But if you just want to like look so professional and like do one of those videos where you're like one of those expert sticker peelers, this will do it for you. Oh yes, you become the sticker peeler. I want to tell you something about editing. All those beautiful videos you see with people collaging and peeling off stickers, it's all done in editing. Trust me, most of us are sitting here, especially with stickers like these. We're sitting there trying to peel them off of the These are kind of easy, but when you have those little ones, they're not so easy. And I'm going to tell you, nobody's an expert sticker peeler. But it is like very, nice for the camera to be able to go, look at me with my sticker peeler. But truthfully, it's really good for placement. Let me put my little cap back on it because I like those. That way you can store them and you don't hit yourself. Not that it's very sharp, it's not. Then we got this beautiful stationery set. Let me show you what this is all about. All ZenPop box comes with stationery. I think all the boxes I've opened this year had nice stationery packs. I think this is one of my favorites. So we got 3 stickers and 6 pieces of paper. There's 2 different prints. There's the birds, the merry-go-round, Ferris wheel, and these beautiful flowers. So you got the print on one side and lined paper on the back. So this is really nice to write letters. And you got 3 envelopes. And what really is cool about these envelopes, they're top-loading envelopes. Check that out. With a design inside. I mean, please, aren't these gorgeous? And then you have your labels for the envelopes as well. So I think out of this year, this is quite possibly my favorite stationery set. It's beautifully curated and it looks it's dynamite. I love it. You should see this huge mess here I have. And the last thing we have is this pen. This pen is by Motion. This is probably the coolest pen I've ever had. And I'm going to show you why. So let me get another piece of paper. I'll use the back of that. Check this out, guys. I've never seen anything like this. So first of all, I'm going to show you my highly impressive art skills and draw such a pretty flower for you guys. Look at that. Beautiful flower, right? Oh, wow. She is so enormously talented. Can I have a subscribe because I'm just so talented in drawing these flowers? Look at that. Shameless plug. And this part, the clear part of the pen, this is like magic. Watch this. It writes white. It's almost like correction tape. Look at that. I can tell all this detail on my beautiful flower. And you would think, goodness, why isn't she in museums? All right, I'm going to stop. You all know I'm just joking around. But isn't that really cool? Here's just a blob of blue. And I'm going to draw my little clouds in there. Little clouds. So that is probably one of the coolest markers I've ever had. As usual, ZenPop blew it out of the park. If you'd like this box, I'll leave all the links down below, and this is what you'll get. Let's do a really quick recap. I'm going to try to put everything back as nicely as possible. Right. We got the nice pen. We have the tweezers. We have the curated stationery pack, which is, I don't know, it's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. We have these gorgeous stickers, so you can have them for your tweezers. We also have this set of 3 pens by Uniball. These are pens, like I said, if you lend them out, make sure you get them back because these are awesome colors and I love how they write. We got all these little binder clip tab thingies for file folders, for book pages, for anything you want. You're going to get 10 of them. 10, yeah. It's a great number. We also got these cool, let me get this out of the way. What did I say? 25 little stickers of all sorts of fruity drinks and ices. We got the tab set. This is probably my favorite. Remember to make a template of the tags. They're the vellum and paper tags. And I think last but not least, we got these 20 sheet collage paper memo pad thingies. And I think that is the full box. Thanks for watching this video with me. I was a little frustrated having to refilm again, but you know, that's life. That happens. I wanted to show something that was in focus and not like really like blurry. Again, if you're interested in the box, I will give you a link below, and I will put my code down there, Jane55 off. And if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you so choose. That would be so helpful for my channel. And you know, I love this box. I'm not just saying that because they give it to me for free. I am not. It is such high quality stuff that stuff I would never buy actually. Because, you know, you go to Walmart, they're not going to sell this at Walmart. They really don't. So check it out. Excuse my blabbing, and I will see you all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye-bye.